Hello everyone. Today's topic is concept of inclusion education, its need and implementation. Chapter number physical education and sports for CWS and children with special need. Now concept of inclusion education and its need and implementation. Inclusion means आपस में मिक्स करना, मिल जाना, समावेश कुछ आपस में मिक्सचर हो जाना. Inclusion education is a new approach towards education. The children with disability and learning difficulty with that of normal ones within the same roof. It's bring all students together in one classroom and community, regardless of their strength and weakness in any area, and seek to maximize the potential of all students. It is one of the most effective way in which it which to promote an inclusion to an tolerant society. Inclusion education has been defined at various way of the address the learning need of differently able children. In 1974, the currently sponsored scheme of in integrated education for disabled children was introduced to provide equal opportunity to children with disabilities in general schools and facilitate their retention. The government initiative in the area of inclusion education can be traces back to National Education Policy 1986, which recommended it as goal to integrate the handicap with the general community at all level and equal partner to prepare them for normal growth and to able them to face life with courage and confidence. The world declared an education for all adopted in 1990 gave further boost to the various process already set in the country. Now what is why we need inclusion education? First of all, to increase self confidence, to increase the academic level, to develop motor skill, to develop social skill, to help the normal children, students. This is the requirement of inclusion education. It is beneficial in many ways to include Divyang student in general physical education. The need of inclusion education is as follow. टू इंक्रीज सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है इंक्रीज सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. अगर कोई बच्चा मेंटली और फिजिकली डिसेबल है, अगर हम उनको नॉर्मल बच्चों के साथ खिलाएंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं वो मोटिवेट होगा. वो मोटिवेट तब होगा जब हम बकअप करेंगे, पुश करेंगे, उसको चांस देंगे कि नहीं, कम ऑन, यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन डू इट. जब हम उसको बोलेंगे नहीं नहीं तू नहीं खेल सकता यार, यू कैन नॉट डू इट, प्लीज़ वहाँ बैठ जा, वो ऑटोमेटिकली डिमोरलाइज हो जाएगा और अपने आप को डिप्राइव ऑफ फील करेगा. इसलिए सबको आपस में खिलाने के सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट रीज़न है, उनमें एक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप होता है. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप इज़ टू मेक पीपल फ्री, cared for, loved and safe. In an inclusion education setting, low achieving students are able to get extra help even though they did not qualify for special education. This lead to increase in the self confidence of Divyangs, to increase the academic level, उनका एक एजुकेशन लेवल भी होता है. आप यकीन मानिए, when I was student, I am remembering, with me there is two students studying with me. They are blind, Shri Bhagwan and Ghansham. आई एम स्टिल रिमेंबर दैम। वो दोनों ब्लाइंड थे, लेकिन वो हमारे साथ नॉर्मल बच्चों की तरह पढ़ते थे। फ़र्क सिर्फ इतना होता था, वो एक ब्रेन टाइप की एक लैंग्वेज आती थी, उनको यूज़ करते थे। दे हैव वेरी वेरी शार्प मेमोरी, लिसनिंग पावर उनकी बड़ी स्ट्रांग थी। और एक बार किसी की आवाज़ सुन लेते थे, नाम सुन लेते थे, वो उनको 1 सेकंड में याद होता था। क्यों? क्योंकि उनका जो कंसंट्रेशन लेवल था हमारे से 10 टाइम एक्स्ट्रा था। क्योंकि हम तो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते थे ना, इधर देखना उधर देखना, लेकिन दे आर सो स्ट्रांग इन मेमोरी। तो उनकी एकेडमिक लेवल भी इंक्रीज़ हुआ नॉर्मल बच्चों के साथ पढ़ने में। दे डेवलप मोटर स्किल्स, उनको चांस मिला। कभी कहीं ना कहीं हम आपस में, जैसे कोई फिजिकली स्ट्रांग बच्चा नहीं है, हम उनको अच्छे प्लेयर के साथ अगर हम खेलेंगे ना, तो डेफिनेटली वी इम्प्रूव, दैट इज़ श्योर। अगर मैं छोटे बच्चों के साथ खेलूं तो डेफिनेटली छोटा बच्चा इम्प्रूव करेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि उसको चांस मिला है अपने से टफेस्ट प्लेयर के साथ खेलने के लिए। सो मोटर स्किल इम्प्रूव होती है। तो डेवलप सोशल स्किल्स। An interesting side effect of that is that these parents report that they also feel more comfortable with people with special need because of their children experience. Students with disabilities can create long lasting friendship that would not be otherwise possible, and these friendship can be given give them the skill of navigate social relationship later on in their life. Then it'll help to normal student. Classmate of student with disability also experience growth in social cognition, often can become more aware of need of other in inclusion classroom. Implementation of, now next topic is implementation of inclusion education. इसको कैसे लागू करना है, इन स्पेशल एजुकेशन को कैसे लागू करना है। Inclusion education help the disabled child to develop a sense of pride in their work because they actually feel like they accomplish something. उनको फील होता है, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल अप होता है कि हमने कुछ अचीव किया, हमने कुछ काम किया है। वी नो दैट एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, थॉमस एडिसन एंड ग्रहम बेल वर learning disabled but still managed to become a greatest mind of 20th century. Educating children with disability alongside their non-disability peer is considered one of the better way to provide education. So there are following measures to better implementation of inclusion education. First, self-oriented component such as medical and education, assessment, book and stationery, uniforms, transport allowances, reader allowances, and stip of stipend for girls, sports services, assistive device, boarding and lodging facilities, therapeutic service, teaching, learning material, etc. should be provided according to their need. जैसे कोई बच्चा है, अगर हम यू कैन उसको हेल्प देने की बहुत ज़रूरत है। उनको कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं। रीडर होता है, एक राइटर होता है। जो बच्चा नहीं लिख सकता, जो नहीं बोल सकता, जो देख नहीं सकता, वो उसको एक रीडर मिलता है। जो नहीं सुन सकते, जो देख नहीं सकते, उनको एक रीडर मिलता है, राइटर मिलता है। सो द स्कूल हैज़ द प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर हेल्पिंग चिल्ड्रन लर्निंग alongside their typical development peers. An inclusion school must enable education structure, system and methodological to meet the need of children, particularly those who face the general barriers, greatest barrier in achieve their right to education. The reference of curriculum should be made in parallel with proper teaching, proper training for teachers regarding their knowledge of inclusion and its principle. The curriculum of each of the above program should be carefully developed by an expert group with including practicing special teacher. Bringing special children into mainstream required adjustment that school need to make in advance. Transfer facility should be alert altered so that children can move around with relatives else. Architecturally, there should be ramp and wheelchair crossing construction in service area such as toilets. Periodic evaluation of the training program and constant updating to meet the challenge of changing trend in special education should be part of the planning of the teacher preparation. Inclusion should not be sole responsibility of the specific class teacher. Everybody should be involved and take responsibility. It is a team वर्क, ये नहीं कि एक आदमी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे दी जाए कि भाई यू हैव टू हैंडल, हमारे से तो नहीं होता. नॉट, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. इट इज़ अ टीम वर्क. हम सबको मिलकर इस चीज़ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी होती है. Right to education, RTE, right to education must be applied for all citizens of India. State and central government, as well as all the other social education action, should be recognized to importance of broad-banded concept of inclusion education. Teacher attitude towards inclusion education could be formed and developed in the contents of an education system with the can provide some specific condition in other to have good practice in. This is the that all thing. A policy of inclusion need to implementation in all school and throughout Indian education system. School need to become center that prepare children for life and ensures that all children, especially the different ability children from marginalized sports section and children in difficult circumstances get the maximum benefit of critical area of education. The school-based sport team should be developed strategies for the whole school to meet the need of learner with special education needs. This team should also be resources for teacher experience problem in their classroom. Those schools that are committed to take in children with special need, then teacher must attend workshop in order in the adjustment of child's need. As a system, inclusion education should be flexible. Its flexibility must reflected in the method of material used to be given by children. In service training program of 2 or 3 week duration for general education and special education in all disabilities and in specific area of disability should be arranged to effectively teach children with disabilities. The preparation of teacher for rural special education program should be planned in their own environment and community. Parent has a right to be involved in their decision making concerning their child. They should be seen as parents in the education process. There are such cooperational parents have been found to be very important resources for teachers and the school. Differently able children should be treated equally as the normal child. Instead of looking them in sympathy, their talent and ability should be recognized for their self-respect and welfare of the society. Necessary school supply such as audio learning and textbooks in braille should be made available. Suitable modification of examination system may be required so as the element of pure mathematical and logical assessment. Family with children without disability should be develop relationship with families with children with disability and be able to make contribution. This is the need of inclusion of